I really enjoyed today because we went to see waterfalls. We went to see the coffee plantation to see the process of how you create coffee. We also experienced some homemade food, with mole negro, and we got to see some local people in their habitat. We also saw a lady making homemade tortillas, and it was very enjoyable. And the reason I really liked it is because I don't think my husband and I would have done it by ourselves. So it was good that we came with Joe and Janet in the party because it was very special.